Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make tomato avocado salad. This healthy avocado salad is simple to make with a light and delicious dressing. It's also super easy to customize to your own personal taste preferences. To start, you'll need 1 pint of either cherry or grape tomatoes. I'm using red, but you could use any combination of colors. I'm going to slice mine in half lengthwise. If they were bigger than this though, I'd quarter them. And then we'll place these all into a large mixing bowl where we're gonna toss our salad together. Then you'll need a bell pepper. I like to use yellow just to kind of mix up the color for some contrast, but really any color of bell pepper will work. And then you just wanna dice that up into nice little small pieces. And then we'll add these all in. Then I'm going to dice up an English cucumber. However, if you don't have an English cucumber, you can also use 2 regular cucumbers. English cucumbers just have a thinner skin and a slightly more mild flavor, so they make it great for a salad. English cucumbers are quite a bit longer, so it's either 1 English cucumber or 2 regular. Don't worry, we will get to the avocado. It is the star of our show, but I like to cut it up last so it doesn't end up turning brown. Then you'll want to thinly slice either 1 small red onion or half of a larger one. You can cut some of the bigger, longer slices in half, or you can even dice this if you need to hide the onion a little bit more. Then we'll mince up some cilantro. You need about 3 tablespoons total of minced cilantro. And if you don't like cilantro, you could also use parsley, or better yet, I prefer basil if I'm not going to use cilantro. Then on to the star of the show, the avocado. I'm going to show you how to cut an avocado for a salad. First, you're going to slice around your avocado lengthwise. Then we're going to open it up and carefully remove the pit. We're going to place it face down and then slice it in half lengthwise again. And then gently remove the peel. It should come right off. Then these are kind of big, so I'm gonna slice it in half again, lengthwise, and then dice it into little bite-sized pieces. And then of course, add these all in with the bowl, being gentle because you don't wanna squish your avocado. You'll want to dice up 4 avocados total since this is the star of the show. Don't worry if you didn't pick the perfect avocados. A little brown spot won't hurt you, or you can always just cut it out. All that's left to do is to make our dressing. So while my knife is still out, I'm going to squeeze a lemon. You'll need 3 tablespoons total. Then we'll set the lemon juice to a side for a second and add 3 tablespoons of honey to a microwave safe bowl. Then we're gonna pop this into the microwave for about 15 seconds. This will thin it out and make it much easier to work with. Then we'll pour in the 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll whisk this all together. And of course, if you need to, you can always add more salt and pepper to taste. Then we'll immediately pour this over our avocado salad, and the acidity from the vinegar and the lemon will keep the avocado from turning brown. All that's left to do is gently toss this together, and I toss it after the dressing is on so that I don't end up mashing my avocados. You don't want to ruin this salad by over stirring. Now, of course, I can serve it in the mixing bowl, but I'm going to transfer mine to a nice, pretty dish to set on the table. And then that's it. We are ready to eat. If you end up with leftovers, you can store them in an airtight container in the fridge, but just note that they won't stay good for too long because of the avocado. You might be able to get 2 or 3 days. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.